put it in the middle here down below. Something like that. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple product label using Canva. Now, being able to create a product label using Canva is pretty simple and it won't take us much long, so I want you to be giving your entire attention from the beginning until the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get into the topic. So first of all, you need to make sure that you know the right size for your product label. You could either use a ruler in real life and take a look at the container that you're using and try to measure how much of the space that you're going to take. For example, if we go here over to product label, we will probably have some templates here that we can use, such as these ones. Now you can just click on either of this, or we can start a new, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be creating a new design here through a custom size here, and let's say I'm gonna be using inches. So the units that you're going to be using is dependent on which country you're from, so you need to research that to whichever country you're from, and then you set that to either of these four. So let's say I'm gonna go for inches. The width will be 2 inches and the height will be 3.2 inches, and then we'll create a new design with that. And now that I have this, we're not going to start immediately. What we're going to do now is to make sure that the design that we're going to be creating will be perfect and that nothing will go out of like what we have created, or that everything is within the zone. So in this part, I'm going to be focusing on stuff that you need to do in order to make sure that whenever you print your final output or your label, everything will be good. So what you need to do is to go over here to File, go here to Settings, and then we just click here to show margins, and then show print bleed. So you might be wondering what you're looking at here. So it's pretty simple. This margin here, or these dotted lines, this is the central part of your design, which means that anything that's there will have the best quality once it's printed. There won't be anything that will look weird. This solid line here is the end of your design. Well, what's beyond that is called the page bleed, which means that it will still continue on into your design, but that part will most likely be cut once it's printed, or it won't have that good of a quality. So anyways, let's go ahead and start with our design. You have multiple choices over here. You can either use a logo that you can see from Elements, or you can upload one of your logos from here. So this is like the upload section where you can upload any of the logos that you want. These are some of the photos I've already uploaded, and this is a sample logo, but I'm not going to be using this. Let's say I'm going to create a product label for a honey product. So we're gonna go ahead and put a B here. We can go to graphics and look at these wonderful arts from Canva. You'll be able to unlock a lot of these elements here, especially the pro ones, when you get access to Canva Pro. So if you head over to the description down below, you'll see that there's a link that will give you access to free trial of Canva Pro for 30 days. Now, it won't really make you pay anything. You will just need to put your credit card you will just have to put your credit card details in, but it doesn't mean that it will take money. It will only take money once you're way past the free trial, but you can always cancel within the duration that you're using it. So what is there to hesitate about? You can go ahead and use Canva Pro now and try out the many and amazing features that it has to offer. So go ahead, give it a try. So let's say I'm going to use one of Canva Pro's elements here, which is this B. So I can just like adjust it and put it in the middle. What I can also do is change the color of this design, maybe something like this to fit the theme. And if I click in the background here and go back to the color again, when we go click here, it will show us this gear settings icon now, which means we can be able to modify this color, which means you can just drag the slider around and change the color to whichever you want. You can even turn it into gradient if that's what you like, but that's not what I like. So I would like to have something like a darker version of brown, something like that. Maybe have a different style. Yeah, something like this, and then you could just like rearrange that, and then you can add text by going here. Just type here, let's say it's called Honey Bunch. And just arrange that. Now it looks something like that. We could even go to spacing here and lessen the line spacing to make it close, and then we can add more, like the best honey in town. You can lower the font size by going here again, keep clicking on the minus, and you can even like probably add it here, something like that. Now I think the title should have a larger font, so I'm gonna arrange that. And then you can add other stuff here, like the net weight of the product. Say it's like 25 kilograms to 25 grams. Just put it in the middle here down below, something like that. Maybe but to make it more honey, we can go and search up like beehive and add these details in the background. Now we can go ahead and click on position, send it to back, and then just lower the transparency. Then maybe add it to the other side here. So yeah, that is a simple way to create a product label. So once you're done with your design, you can go over here to share, and then let's go to download here, and make sure to set your file type into PDF print because this is the best for printing, and your color profile to RGB so that it will have colors. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on download, and then it will start downloading your design. Now you can now start with the printing process by using this design, and that's it. That is how you can create a simple product label design using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.